Yo, what up, man?
What's up, JoJo? You finally woke up from your afternoon nap?
I finally got up.
I got news for you. If you're getting beauty sleep, you need to go back to bed.
Yeah, nice, thanks. What are you cutting?
Wall sheeting.
What sheeting?
Wall sheeting.
Oh, wall sheeting. Ah, I see. Oh, drywall, look at that.
That make you a happy man?
That is nice, man. That's some progress. Basement siding is now complete, this section. It was almost done on the last update, but not quite. And drywallers are still working in there. And then what a shame, had to shut down the rock here. It's looking good for the start though. It's supposed to warm up, of course now they're calling for rain. 60s and 50s and rain, rain, rain. Got a stiff wind, but there's Ryan cleaning up the drywall scraps, going in the dumpster. Today they're supposed to be done hanging the drywall, not finishing it, but just hanging it. If not, they'll be really close. Suddenly, now that I'm looking at Bobcat Mini X's, that thing looks kind of pretty now. Yeah, I know how quickly I changed my colors, but it's all been in good fun. Oh, look at the power on the Bobcat now. Yeah, Ryan, you'll like this when you hear it. Operator's a little lacking yet, but I'm digging the white and orange. There you go, nice and careful. Yeah, I knew you couldn't just leave it sit there like that. Nice. Little plank bridge bringing the drywall out. Alright, I just want to give you guys a real quick update on this foam. Okay, this is 2 inches of foam on the walls and the ceiling here in the shop. And you could see just a few spots that came through there from seams left from the Amish boys. Not a huge deal, but what I wanted to tell you is I don't have any empirical evidence, but it's just what we're observing. We got this P-tack turned down to 58 as low as we can, and it was running constant basically for the last 3 months. And now that we got this igloo cooler all sprayed around us, it runs for you know, just a few minutes, 5 or 10, then it shuts off for a long time. It's very nice to hear this thing off more than it is on. So that spray foam, I think, is paying for itself already. All right, while Ryan is putting on a leg on the workbench out there, I'll give you the update here on January 11th. Drywall is all hung. Look at that, how beautiful. Man, it's starting to look like a home. Got the 2 heaters running up and down to dry all the moisture out. Can't believe it, it's coming together slowly. Let me get a shot of this living room with better light. Look at them timbers. Beautiful. Let's go check out the basement. Alright, here's the basement. Look at the bar is coming to life. Slowly but surely. We're gonna have a small fireplace here under the center, and my wife's gonna put old rusty tin behind it. It's gonna look pretty cool down here. Oh yeah, there's safe room back in there, bathroom there for either a guest staying here or for me for hunting. And Big Bertha, which is that huge cedar log, is going to go right, I think, in that corner. So that big cedar log is going to be right there. Excellent progress. And special touches. You wrap the front windows and the doors with cedar just to bring the front of the house out a little more and match them up to the cedar front and the Douglas fir trusses. That away, Ryan.